Well, hello, my name is Andrè Panisson. I'm a research leader at ISI Foundation.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan. I am a researcher at ISI Foundation.
The module that I'm going to teach at the next edition of Big Dive is about deep learning for computer vision.
And I do artificial intelligence, and you will do AI as well with us at Big Dive 8. Specifically, we will do machine learning from like the basic stuff to the proper super cool deep learning stuff.
At some point in the module, we are going also to see a bit of theory, because theory is important to guide us for strategies in things that are important, like, for example, the amount of data that you want to use, since we are talking about big data, what is big data and what data is sufficient to build and to solve these types of problems from computer visions.
With a very reduced set of simple techniques, you will be able to be a data scientist and apply that stuff to all kind of like real-life scenarios in your everyday job.